Audio Jungle.
Hello guys, today we'll be making a quick review of a subcompact SUV, this Kia Sonet. And before watching this, make sure you watch our previous review on new Hyundai i20, so the link will be in the description box. And no doubt guys, the road presence of this car is extremely awesome. And this one is the GTX Plus top-end diesel variant. As it is a GT line, it gets red inserts all over. Coming to the headlamp section, this is how the DRL looks, and also it works as an indicator. Automatic LED headlamps, projector fog lamps with chrome finish, and unique kind of tiger nose grille, and Kia logo is placed at the top. Here is a GT line badging. At the bottom there is a bumper provided with skid plates. This variant also gets front parking sensors. Coming to the dimensions of this car, it is 4 meters in length, 1.6 meters in height, and has 211 mm of ground clearance. It has 16-inch crystal cut alloy wheels, and here it gets red brake calipers that gives very good look, and also Kia logo at the center. Electrically adjustable mirrors with turn indicators, and all door gets chrome handlebars, and you also get a chrome running all over the window line. Since it's a dual tone, it gets black treatment on the roof as well as at the rear. And guys, this is how the Sonet looks from the rear. It's pretty much different compared to the Kia Seltos. This is the high mount stop lamps, rear wiper, LED tail lamps with halogen turn indicators, Kia logo at the center, Sonet badging, GT line badging, and at the bottom you get a black glossy finish bumper, and you also get reverse parking camera with parking sensors. So it has automatic wipers, sunroof, and floating roof rails. Also a shark fin antenna. Now let's open the boot. And here is where the reverse parking camera is placed. So this car gets 390 liters of boot space. And towards the right you get a speaker. And a light is placed over there. And under this you get a 15-inch steel wheel as a spare along with a toolkit. Now let's get into the rear passenger seats. So the door get complete black finish with some red stitches, and it has Bose speakers, bottle holder and power window controls. It gets a black leatherette upholstery with red stitches, and also there is beige leatherette option available. The seats get two adjustable headrests and center armrest. And here they have also provided smart air purifier with virus and bacteria prevention, two AC vents, one USB charging port and some space. You get somewhat decent amount of legroom and knee room. And grab handle, also other side, one reading lamp. This is how the front dashboard looks from here. Coming to the front seats, the driver's side door get request sensor. So the same black treatment for the door. At the bottom it gets bottle holder and umbrella holder. There's a speaker. Mainly this car gets 7 speakers, a ORVM control and all power window controls. And here there is a tweeter. Rectangular shaped AC vent, engine start stop button, traction control and park assist switch. So this is the 3-spoked leather wrapped steering wheel, and you got a flat bottom and a GT line over there, and this steering feels very sporty to hold. It's a different kind of instrument cluster with 4.2-inch multi-information display and a digital speedometer. You can do all necessary settings using these buttons, and also it has a cruise controls, headlight and indicator controls, wiper controls, and here you get audio infotainment and voice controls. Coming to the infotainment system, it gets 10.2-inch HD touchscreen display which supports Android Auto, Apple CarPlay, UEVO connected car, Bluetooth, navigation, reverse parking display and lot more options. Hazard light switch and 2 vertically placed AC vents, and this is the automatic AC with eco coating technology. Wireless charging, two USB ports and one 12-volt charging port, and here you get some space. This is a 6-speed leather wrapped manual gear knob, 2 cup holders, and this is the handbrake, and inside the armrest you get some space. There is one additional feature in this car. At front it gets ventilated seats which offer you some cooling option. Here you get quite bigger size glove box. Grab handle, passenger side sun visor with vanity mirror. You get 2 reading lamps, sunglass holder, driver side sun visor, and this is the sunroof. Coming to the safety features, it gets 6 airbags, ABS, EBD, electronic stability control, hill assist, reverse parking camera with adaptive guidelines, front and reverse parking sensors, cruise control, ISOFIX child mounting, speed sensing door lock, impact sensing auto door unlock, and emergency stop signal. There are a lot of engine options available with petrol and diesel variants, but this one is the 1.5 liter GTX Plus diesel engine variant, which delivers 98 bhp and 240 Nm of torque. The average mileage of this car varies around 23 km per liter and having 45 liters of fuel tank. And finally, the on-road price of this variant is around 15 lakhs. So if you want more information about all the variants, we have provided the link in the description box. You can visit that. And for more Auto World reviews, you can subscribe to our channel and also follow us on Instagram. Thank you for watching. I'll see you again in the next video.